whole hairline is out, sis. Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. I will of course leave my socials right here for you. So I actually constructed my own wig. I bleached this hair, I colored this hair, I bleached my own knots. I did it all, y'all, okay? We need to go ahead and apply the wig, y'all. We did it all. It's now time to reveal what the wig actually looks like. I'm bringing you this video in partnership with Ishow Hair, so thank you to Ishow Hair for sending me over this hair and sponsoring this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So let me give you the hair specs before we get into the video. I received 3 bundles and a closure from Ishow Hair. They are the Brazilian deep wave hair in the lengths 20 and the closure is in 18. I looked up how much that hair costs, and right now for 3 bundles and a closure, the same lengths that I got, it costs $121.44. So first of all, it's cheap. It's affordable, love. Like, it's affordable. So the hair came in this box in the mail, which is pretty sturdy. I appreciate my stuff being sturdy so it doesn't just fall out and get damaged en route. So when you open it up, I actually have a little bit of the hair left. So this is how much hair that I have left from using those 3 bundles and a closure. And this is what the texture is looking like. They also included some lashes, this elastic hair tie, which is kind of cute. It's not gonna hurt anything. We got a Wig Net, which I don't really use these. And it came with a coupon. It smells like hair. It smells like bundle hair. If you go in a beauty supply store and you get hair a lot, you know exactly what this smells like. The color is a natural color, so it's like a natural brown. I would say it's more of like a 2 color. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just gonna show you the wig. So without further ado, let's get into it. This is the wig that I constructed using the hair that I received from Ishow Hair. So as you can see, we have a closure. Let's finally put on this wig. Let me say now that she is snug. So I got a different cap than what I usually use, and yeah, it's not gonna go. You know, for next time. A little length check. What are we thinking so far? I'm thinking I definitely have to style my baby hairs because my whole hairline is out, sis. That's kind of normal for me, just considering the way that my hairline is set up, but even more so because this is fitting a little snugger than I would like. I'll be right back with some styled baby hairs, okay? So look at them now. Okay, and now we have some swoop baby hairs. This is now what the closure looks like. I am gonna have to use bobby pins to kind of hold this down. But as you can see, this lace is always gonna lay on top of my hairline regardless of the size of the wig, just because of the way that my head is shaped. Let's get some bobby pins to secure this thing, and then we'll start messing around with like making it look good. First, we need to actually attach it to our head, okay? So just you wait. So now we need to work on making sure that this is undetectable. What I'm gonna do is go get some black eyeshadow. I'm gonna put it all on that lace, and then I think we need to cut a little bit just to frame our face. So I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I did put some black eyeshadow on that lace so it's not as noticeable. But the next thing we need to do is create a part so we don't look like we're giving crochet mommy, but like crochet auntie. You know what I'm talking about. Let's fix it, okay? So I'm gonna take the palette that I grabbed the black in, and I'm gonna go into one of these flesh tone colors in the center, and I'm gonna pop one of them right into that part. Need to remind the audience that Jaila does not have her glasses on, so Jaila cannot see what she's doing.
In case I'm completely missing the part.
But essentially we're adding powder to that part to give us a little bit more je ne sais quoi natural. Yeah, no, I don't speak French. Barely speak Spanish. I need to do a video on me relearning Spanish during this break, okay? Because your girl be struggling. Okay, so we're giving a little more realistic now, right? So what I'm gonna do is start to frame my face and then kind of go from there. Hopefully I don't mess up this wig, y'all, because I don't work too hard. By the way, this is how much hair I just cut off. What do we think? I'm kind of loving it. I'm gonna swoop my edges a little bit more over here and then probably give y'all some slow-mos because I really am, she's really feeling herself right now, okay? She's feeling like she did some things. I'm looking closer and I am giving line of demarcation in real life, so we need to fix that. What I'm gonna do is alternate between putting that flesh tone color in the inside and putting black on the outside of my part. My girl Glamazon 1026 taught me that. Okay, it looks way better in real life, so I'm hoping that it translates well on camera as well. So this is my final look for this wig, y'all. So I hope you all enjoyed this wig styling slash transformation with me. Y'all, I am no pro when it comes to wigs. You can go back and watch all of my wig videos. Honey, I be struggling in some of them and I want to come and do this because I know a lot of y'all are like me. Whether you're just stepping into wigs, just stepping into either synthetic or human hair wigs and you just want to play around, I'm right there with y'all, okay? Thank you so much to Ishow Hair for sponsoring this video and entrusting your girl with this hair. I think I did it justice. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Do you like the texture of this hair? Do you like how the color came out? Just let me know what you're thinking, okay? You know, I tried. I gave you a little something. Go ahead and leave me something in the comments below. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Go ahead and join the fam. Also hit that bell button so you can be notified anytime I post a new video. Do not forget to like this video so that YouTube can actually share with other people. You know, the algorithm works like that. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. How we looking? 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 We look good. We look great. It's about to be a bop. We can already tell.